Careful. Вот так вот так вот. Я почувствовал, но поздно. Окей. Let's remove it. Remove. First, before you're gonna start the machine, you have to check air pressure. Have a look from that side. Must be air pressure. And then, of course, power. If you switch on and nothing happens, means you need to find the socket where you need to switch on. Okay. Joey, can you help me and remove this cover as well, please? I don't think that it will be forever. I hope it will be done permanently. But for now,
just extra tank we connected to your
we need just remove the brush.
No?
More.
Nice.
It's a powerful machines, and we are not able to leave the wires like this. Yes, it could be a problem. Okay. Sorry. Okay. We need to check one more plugs. Water slot. AKS. AKS, it's a welding machine. Corner cleaner. Опа. On.
Those first one is still off.
Yeah, power is here. I think we need to add sockets. However, for now we have only two, and we're gonna work only with the two machines today. Looks like I forgot to switch on there. that switchers. Yep, now it should start working. Let's check. Yep, it started. And this one not.
Нет?
Ты как подписал? АКС?
Да. Велдер там должен быть.
Велдер должен быть. Значит, что-то я перепутал. Там что-то начеркано. А, СО. И я подумал, что это АКС. А, welder. Опа. Okay, and on.
On.
What's happening? No, on. Good. Let's wait this machine. We have to wait until it will heating. So I will start this machine and then we will continue with that one. When we switch on this machine, we just need to wait until it will be loaded. Loaded the program. Program is loading automatically. For now you can see it's a process of loading network. So this machine can work with the network and load whole list of all kind of production what you need to produce. When it just loaded, it's not obvious. However, you need to remember, we need to click twice F10. No, F10, F10. Then push white button and wait until we will get about 4 bars. You will hear, yep, and when it's late, it's okay. So now we have to wait until 250 degree. So we can continue now with that machine. Yeah, it's a welding. This machine, I just switch it on, nothing else. So here, next procedure. For standard working, we need to push once this button until it light. If you push this button but it not light, means something wrong. For example, if you open the door for this machine, you are not able to switch on the machine. Then you need to choose the work normal. It's a blinking, you need to push and hold again and wait again pressure. Leave when it's light one more time. It's going to the home position. one more time, work, it's done and it's waiting for constructions. For how to use this machine. Now it's a full automatic position. Means when we weld construction, it should come to that sensors. Machine should take it, this construction, bring it here. Then this machine should recognize the type of profile, choose the program, clean, turn, clean all 4 angles, and then generally it's leave it here, then it takes new one, bring it here and push the previous one until the sensor or just until somewhere here. It's a full automatic. We have several choices. If you choose operation mode, you can choose full automatic, single machining, and 2 corners machine. 2 corners machine, it's as well automatic, but it will clean only 2 corners from that side. It's required when you weld frames for doors. If it's frames with a low threshold, you will weld without the bottom side. And this machine should clean, of course, only 2 sides. Single machining, here, it's already choice of operator. Operator can choose the number, just put it number here, of number of processing the angle. So machine don't recognize anything, and you choose what kind of profile you will put here, and it will clean exactly with this profile. Mode. No, it's a profile recognition, but you put it manually. If you choose single selection, exactly here you already must to put the number of operation.
This number is, what is the meaning of this number? Is it size or?
No, you have to say exactly number of, not profile, of operation. Means...
It's like program number?
Yeah, program number for cleaning exactly this type of profile.
Okay. So you guys have your own library in the machine?
Generally, when I worked with this machine, I made about 99% full automatic recognition. But sometimes we had some specific profiles which we used maybe once per year. Then somebody had to explain the operator what kind of program he should choose, because every time before we producing this some specific profile, somebody should come, check everything, weld samples, check that it works, everything, and just then remember, of course, this number, and should say operator, or come to by himself and made it manually by himself. It's a best idea. If you want to do correctly, do it by yourself.
Do you have any like example of the program or example of
Yep.
papers?
Programs, all programs is here. Profile list and these numbers. Here exactly the program, what should do different tools. And these programs, number of programs.
So currently these are all the programs you guys have used before?
Yes.
Okay. So if we have a new profile, we just need to make a new one?
Yes. You can copy existing one, the closest which you have already, and then change. Yep. So I can show generally again how it works, because, for example, we will choose this number. It's a frame with extender flange 50 millimeters. Here we have different tools. different operations. So for example, if we choose first one, we need to choose NC date, and here we exactly can see the way of this tool, how it works. It's exactly this one. It's a saw, the big saw, and it's clean exactly by this way. Yeah. When you choose these numbers, you can see exactly line which it should do.
That's the position number.
Position, yep. When you change, you will see how it will be changed. So it will be shifted somewhere on the top, on the bottom, left, right. You can see everything. Of course, you have to be very careful because something wrong. If it's a little bit wrong, maybe it's okay. But if you put some wrong number, you will damage the tool. Next one, it's a cleaning of milling bit. It comes from here, outside. -5 means it's out of the coordination. Yep. 18 and 5, it's height where we should start. 0 is the plates.
Yeah.
So we should start on the 18.5. Then it goes here very fast. Then it change speed and goes with this angle here, a little bit back, and that's it, and it goes back. It's how to programming this machine. Probably it's easy. Actually, who knows the machines, or when guy from the Germany explained this for us, we started working, maybe just watch and start working with the next profile by ourselves. No problem. I think it's easy. Just need to remember, of course, how and check, and then you will be understand. It's easy to recognize how much you need to shift the tool to get the result which you want. Okay. Any question?
No one?
For beginning?
If something is going on to set, the machine gonna show any sign like
Error?
Yeah.
Error.
Usually here, nobody. It's this machine with the standard processing works automatically by himself, by itself. Usually operator is there. Operator can check if it stopped with some reason. If this machine stopped with some reason, then operator should come and check what's happened. If this sensor will be closed by something, construction, machine will stop and will wait until you will remove the frames, sash, something. Sometimes it takes spinning but does nothing. That means this machine cannot recognize the profile. It takes trying to recognize, it's not happened, it stays and waiting again operator. Sometimes you can hear very bad sound, like a damaging of everything. Then on the welding machine should be one box. It's now outside. Yes, exactly that one. There is a red button. If you stay in here, that box should be on the welding. If you hear something wrong, push emergency stop.
What kind of like actual case you guys have on the machine?
Of problems
Yeah.
with this machine, first, no one really big problem. Only small problems. First, it's sensors of the doors. Sometimes you can come, push this button and happen nothing. Looks like doors is closed, everything is okay, but it doesn't work. But the sensors should be closed exactly very fully. Yes. Sometimes you need to open and close it again, then it starts working. When it happened first time, we decided that this machine broken. We checked everything, and just then, how it works. Another problem. So if all recognition and programs works correctly, usually no any problems. If you put some unusual profile and send it here, machine can take and recognize it wrong with some reason. It could recognize like a different profile and start cleaning exactly that profile. Then exactly this situation, you will hear that something was broken or wrong sound. You need to stop and check what's happening, only this position. But generally it works well, this machine. There are a lot of sensors. You need to be clean up, check that everything works. Sometimes you can find screws, because vibration and everything else, you need to check where it was screwed and put it back. It's happened sometimes because there are a lot of vibration really. Just maintenance, cleaning, and this machine will work well.
What about like grease or oils?
Yep. Maintenance. Oh, it's a close 5 seconds. I need to take a key. Гриша, а ты не знаешь, где ключ? 5 seconds. It's a standard special key for all the machines.
Oh, okay. That is really important.
Yep. You can see the same locks here.
Okay.
Exactly for this key. That machine, all the machine works with this, with this key. So we need to use this key to open the machine. Just when you open the machine, it should stop. Here, you, main guy, how I understand, all moving parts should be greased. For example, we have a moving parts here, we have here, and everywhere like the same. Just find the moving parts,
Yeah.
find which you need to add grease, and that's it.
What about the blade?
Blade. Exactly, blade you do nothing. You don't need to do nothing. Blade just change if it's something happened.
When was the last time that you changed it?
It's a plastic, so just now.
Yeah, it's not a problem for now, but for now Greg is trying to find exactly the same blade. I changed this blade
10 years ago?
at least 5
5 years.
5 years ago at least, maybe more. And it still works well.
Yeah, but could be sharp.
Huh?
Could be sharp.
You can try, but we had a lot of problems when we gave to Sharp. When it bring it back, it's worse than it was. You can try, but for plastic, for now cleaning, you can see, for now it works well. Just you need to find the spare one. Greg will help, and just keep it. If something happened, just need to change. For changing, it's an old machine. Here you need some special tool like for the grinder with the 2 pins. Looks like we don't have it. So you need to find or make it by yourself.
I see, yeah.
Yep. What else? For all these parts like this, you need to use some sprays for lubrication. Very careful with air pressure cylinders. You have to use correct lubrications. Here as well. What else? Here. All sensors connects here and goes to the main cabinet.
Okay. Have you changed any other part instead of the plate? I mean, any bearing, any seal that you maybe changed in the past or not? Maybe not.
No. Most usual what you will change, milling. Milling from the top. These knives. Knives looks like already could be changed. These knives, it's like a standard parts which you need to change. Forget about the blade. It will work maybe more 10-20 years, I hope.
Wow.
If you don't damage, it will work.
Okay.
What else? You need to bring it back. That door is correct. We remove it for now just for some reason, because sometimes we need to check something. Very dangerous machine. Don't give access to anybody who don't understand what's happening here.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, and what about the manual control?
Yeah, it's a manual control for corner cleaner machine with a long wire, and this wire should be on the welding machine, because exactly the operator. Here you have a emergency stop and Here you can choose some programs. There is a sheet where you can choose this similar profile. So problem is sometimes this machine doesn't have enough sensors to recognize different profiles. Then you have to make a different sheets where you can choose different profiles. It's exactly a situation when this machine can recognize wrong. Looks like for these all sensors it's the same profile, but it's different. Then you change sheet by the switching this position. We had in the beginning we had windows, doors and sliders. Then I removed everything and made it recognizing just automatically with one program. However, sometimes we need to use 2000 and 4000 because there could be some similar profile but a different program for cleaning. If you want, I can show if you can get all information together. Okay, let's go. I will show you. This first number, it's exactly the numbers on that part, and you can choose different sheets for recognition. So for now it's a 511 inquiry list. Here you have a number of profile. So when machine will take some profile, it will recognize and gives you the number, this number.
Automatically recognize it and
Yep. This number equal to the number of cleaning. Here you have sizes and sensors on the right side and on the left side.
Okay.
Right side, left side, so many sensors. You need to understand, so when you're trying to teach this machine, sometimes when you switch on, switch off, it doesn't like.
What is the capacity? I mean, you mentioned that automatically recognize and give us a number, but how many?
How many?
Yeah.
I don't think that you will find the end.
Oh.
It's a lot. You don't have so many type of profiles, how many you can record here. Manual operation. Complete operation test. Profile recognizing. Could you give me any? You can shift machine in the position which you like. Better usually it's in the middle. Put profile. This machine took the profile and said, I think it's this number. You can choose details, you can choose check parameters, left, right, all the sizes, and if you want, you can change here. Sometimes when you teach new profile, you should machine will take this profile and says, I don't know what is it. Then you put all parameters from exactly here, from here. So it's exactly parameters of this profile. You open this list, add new line. With that parameters, you can give this number.
Manually.
Yeah. Check again, works. Check again, works. Means you can use exactly this number. Then you take this number and make cleaning program exactly with this number. And from that point, machine will start working with something new. I forgot to leave it. Looks like everything.
No, you need to try. You need to check it out.
Sure.
Yeah.
If you don't try,
Yeah.
it just sound, free sound. Okay. Let's go to the welding machine. I just say that in the beginning, how works machine, it will be the second problem. First problem will be recognizing by yourself profiles which you need to produce. You need to cut, you need to make technical holes and everything else. Different profiles, there are a lot of profiles, and you need to understand which profile. You need to understand how to put each profile on each machine from the cutting machine, and of course here. When we weld some of profiles here, we have to use supports. For example, when we weld sash, we have to use exactly this. Here say it 110393. It's exactly the code of this profile. So when you start welding, for example, these profiles, you have to put supports on each position and just then put the profile for welding. If you don't do this, will be wrong size, will be wrong view. It could be so it gives big pressure on the profile for welding, for heating, and profile can turn or even damage profile. Okay, maintenance. Like again that machine or any other machine, all moving parts should be lubricated. If we are talking about the pressure cylinders, you need to choose correct lubricant. You need to choose lubricate here. And one more thing. Where is it? Here. There is a what is it correctly in the English?
Nipple.
Nipple. Okay, so there are 4 nipples from that side as well, and there is a tubes which goes to these parts. When it works, if you weld very small frame sash, it comes so narrow that operator can't get in. At this point, machine comes inside, but these 2 sides goes back. Then operator can come inside, put profile, get out, push the button, and it will get correct position, and then you will put the last part.
The maximum size you can make it.
Maximum size around 350, 500. Yeah, 3.5 meters. And it's a long width to 345, 2 meters 300 centimeters. Millimeters, of course, yeah. You are not able to weld too small. You are not able to weld bigger than this size. With this case, you should use manual welding machine. How I understand, you have one more welding machine, manual one, where possible to weld looks like smaller, maybe bigger. Sometimes that machine is 2 head, this one is 4 head, that one is 2 head, but sometimes you have to use 1 head machine exactly for some special angles, for the real big constructions, or even back for the real small constructions. What else? I already showed how to switch on this machine. When we have already 250 degrees on each head, this machine can start working. You need to choose working and individual. Can you see? Again. Come on. Light barrier again. Top. Again light barrier. Somebody. Okay. Go back.
You do the revision.
Okay. Just when it will get 250 degree, it can go to the home position. We just need to push the green button. Okay. It's a program already.
What size is it now?
For now, for example, we have
705.
Yep. So if we choose this size, 1 unit, specification number 10, temperature monitor head 1, come on, light barrier, head 1, oh, head 1, oh, it doesn't want to hit. So we've got the first problem. Okay, I need to go to the head for 5 seconds. Let's try to restart, sometimes it helps. Works. Yeah. But yep, now it works. But we have to wait. While it's heating, I can explain the program. So, just when it will be already ready for working, we need to choose working. You can stay here. And individual. Here actually helps for each key. You can delete program, you can create new program. Means it's not a program, it's operations. It's operation, exactly.
Operation.
What does it mean? For example, you need to weld sash. You have 4 parts, you have size. You can choose F7 like a new. Width 964.
961.
96. I need glasses.
That's the -3, right?
No. You will get exactly this page.
That's already
It's already removed 3 millimeters.
Once you have this.
Yes.
Okay. So
In
this paper is different to the cutting.
Yes,
paper.
yes.
Okay.
Cutting one with 3 millimeters, this one without 6 millimeters, means 3 millimeters from each side. 964, 964, and 641, 641. If you have with the same size several, you can choose how many units you need to.
Okay.
For example, 1.
If you have 10, so you can just.
Yeah, if you put here, for example, 10, it will weld first, remove, and will stay again with the correct position for the next one. If not, it will stop. Will stop after removing the already welded part, and it will wait for
Every unit,
next.
It's changed the position for the machine, right?
Yes.
In different size.
And then you have to choose the program for this profile. For now, here you don't have any specific information, but if you choose, for example, 999, Machine says, I don't know what is it. Choose from the list. Here you need to understand what is it. So, for example, right now it's Windows Sesh Open Out 390. Windows Sesh Open Out.
Should be SAS.
Windows Sesh T Open Out. Choose this, then click green button. Machine will stay on the correct position, and exactly with this case you need to put the supports and
That size would be the specific for SAS. It's writing here. This one, right?
it's what kind of profile?
All the SAS.
11090. When we choose this one,
190.
it's exactly 111x.
35.
Here X on the different position. X, actually here the wrong
Also wrong,
X.
right? Different.
X must be on the third position. Third position it's a color.
Okay.
Exactly with the profile coding.
Oh.
Third position it's a X. If it's 0, it's a tropical. If it's 1, it's a white. And then, for example, if it's 3, it's like a
It's like color coding numbers.
golden oak, how I remember, and some different. But the main profile is
SAS.
11X
19.
390. It should be Windows T Sesh. So, how I say it, you have to understand what kind of profile you.
If it is SAS, you have to follow SAS, also the SAS program.
Which size you mean?
This is SAS, right?
No, it's just size of profile 75 and 5 millimeters.
This
It's
SAS.
it's a Sesh 75 and 5. It's this size.
Okay.
It's just type of profile. We had this size here because it's a new profile, and before it was 73.
Okay.
That operator must recognize which profile we used.
Yes, yes.
75 like a new, or 93 at the end. 73 was. So when we choose here, what's temperature is there?
193.
Okay, not enough. And actually that's it. You just click this button,
And then the machine is working.
and choose correct position. You will put all. You have to bring
Parts.
air here, air gun for cleaning. Then cleaner parts you will put there. Then rear you will change the covers.
Okay, that's a big change.
So, for example, it's like these problems, like this. It will first damage the covers. Second, it will damage the welding connection. So, profile should be clean when you put it. Actually, that's it. Previous time I already showed how it works.
Yeah, yeah.
I can't show how it works because we don't have cutted parts. For
You cannot do like whole process, like since you cut the four parts and then come here and join it and then go there and clean it up.
we can,
Just to check, like.
we have a time.
Yeah.
Yep. Then we need to start from the cutting. Okay, guys. When we start produce anything, you will have this bunch of paperworks. General view from outside, what kind of construction? It's an open out window with the liners and with a skirting 50 millimeters round. Why I say it round? Sometimes, at least we produced without bottom, without top, or without some side. For example, if you make a door with window, when you need to connect, it shouldn't be flange on the side where it should be connected, for example. Or sometimes we produced construction with the flange only on the bottom.
Only the door frame.
Only cover bottom without any sides. So here you have to recognize what kind of construction at the end should be.
Which program do you use to draw it?
This program is RA workshop.
Okay.
RA.
Yeah, so now I have PDF.
Then cutting pages. Frame. And sash. It's a glazing bit. For glazing, for now we are not able to try because first, how I understand, we don't have a profile. Second, machine is not prepared. Metal. Each profile includes metal inside like a reinforcement. It's a plastic to avoid bending, any problems, any deformations. It should be used metal inside. Again, metal. Flange. For today, again, we don't weld and we don't cut flanges. Liner. Liner, it's a timber which should go around all the construction. Timber should cut separate and screw it when construction already assembled.
So that the liner,
Liner
you
it
guys cut from here, or we have to cut from the site?
most of the company works exactly with the second option when somebody cuts it on the side. However, it's a bad idea. First, it's a dirty on the side of customer. It takes a lot of time. But if you cut it here and even first, it will be much better. And you will bring already ready construction for installing. So you will not pay to installers extra money, and he will cut like he wants. He will throw out big parts of timber. Here you can do it much better. So timber. Here again, full specification of this construction with profiles, hardware, or just maybe it's a full bill of material. Maybe no, it's just what we need to cut everything. Yes, cutting. Summary, cutting summary. Yeah, which screws reinforce, flat flashing, casement, Spark. No, here with hardware as well, so it's a hardware part. Which hardware we should use? Screws, rotor hinges, and everything else.
On this software, we can choose profile of window frames and such everything, and then also plus hardware as well.
Program works next. You need to choose what kind of profile, what kind of construction, and program will add automatically all hardware, which you added before when you make settings for this program.
Kind of preset.
Yes.
Okay.
And plus, you can choose manually if you want to add something specifically. But in the beginning, in the general, that program will choose all, include screws which you need to use for assembly.
Do we have a license for this program, or we are just subscribing?
Of course, we have a license. Yes. Grisha, do we have a license for our workshop?
We have a legal right to use it,
Uh-huh.
but not real license yet.
So license we need
We
to...
have like a trial at the stage, so we can use it for a couple months.
And then we need to pay. We had license when we used it. Okay. So yeah, it's a full bill of material of all positions which we need to use for assemble this construction. Joey, you have a cutting lists. You don't need it?
I will prepare the profile for you.
You already prepared for me. Okay, let's start from frames. When you're gonna start cutting profiles, you need to again understand what kind of profile you're gonna work with. If it's sash, you need to understand how it will be welded. For example, you can put like this, or you can put like this. If you put it like this, you will damage the profile, because it will be wrong angle and you are not able to assemble. Of course you can somehow, maybe you can weld because there is a special support for shape of profile, but maybe some genius can weld it. So let's start from we need to switch off one of the machine. I will switch off the corner cleaner. Looks like it should be so. Okay.
Yeah.
Beep. Again beep. Okay.
Like plaguing.
Looks like. Starts.
We need the air.
It should be already. It should be already connected. Check the sensor somewhere. No. It should be lifted up. We need to check the air. 5 seconds again. Again, it's just this situation when it's not ready for full production. There is a switcher which we need to change air from one machine to another one. Let's go. Па-па-па. Так. Who is it? Welder. Welder, we need to leave. This one we need to switch off and switch this on. Joey, works? Yes. All good.
To record all these kind of little issues.
Yes, yeah. When you start, you have to know where a special small things. So now we have a Windows. We need to load Counter-Strike and play. Okay. Who? Mouse? No. Mouse. We load the program. Blah 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 blah. Serial cutting, regular cutting. Regular cutting. Okay. We need 45. Start. Start. How I understand, you don't want to show. Okay, we are cutting the sashes. Let's take sash. For example, better if you start from the biggest one and then smallest one. 970. Go. Yep, 970. So we have a notch gap where saw will come. You need to put.
That is more than this, right?
Yep. So here will be the line, cutting line, and you need to put the profile to make a smallest of cut like you want.
Yeah, smaller of that.
Then you keep here and press. Then you come here and press two buttons. You can see the blades and can see that it's already cut. Just when it's cut, leave it. That's it. Remove pressure. You need some bin for the cuts. Two parts are ready. 70, 6 for 7. 7, enter. Let's check the size. Do we have a... Yeah. No, nice 70, so it was calibrated. Good, but looks like the smallest size 647. It's too small for cutting boss heads. It's impossible. For example, if I choose 700, it will be 45 degrees. But 647, it's not enough to cut. How it works? It's a new machine for me. Let's ask Greg. He should... Grisha? We have a situation when it's not enough space to cut two heads with a 45 degree.
You can do one, then another one.
Okay, let's try. So we choose 647, 647, enter. It comes. Oh, but before it was changed angle. Okay, so if small construction, it will put it on with 90 degree. Then you need to switch off the one of the machine, cut one size, change position to the 90 degree, then change position to 45, change machine and cut another side.
But there is no reference for the end to this one.
For the end, no. You just when you leave the buttons, it go back.
And then cut again like this.
Yeah, and cut again every time. And you have to push two buttons to avoid one hand inside of the machine. So now we can cut boss. Looks like okay.
Has been cut before. Let's check will not work.
Has been cut before. What does it mean? 45. Я пытаюсь пилить, он говорит, что он уже был напилен. It's on. Где? Я взял... вот это ручная. Я выбрал регуляр. Вот это. Окей. Так я и там вроде забивал. 6 по 7. 7. Вот. Okay. We stop this machine. This side. Okay, let's try. So this one is stop, this one works. We cut one side. Then we stop this one, change to 90. Так, leave, this stop, this on, this 90, 45. Что-то надо нажать, чтобы он пошел. Почему он не возвращается на 90? Так, this one stop, this one on, this one 45. Looks like everything is okay. And cut another side. Let's check. It should be 647. 6.5. Yeah, half millimeters difference. Good. This is sash. Frame. Switch on. 45. Один.
You can weld this without metal.
Huh?
You can weld it for now without metal.
Without metal.
Yeah.
In this case, yeah, we can. $7-11.
It's different there. It's the other one.
This side already enough for correct cutting.
Can you tell us about maintenance for this machine? Especially, do we need to.
It's absolutely new machine for me,
Okay.
but again,
Yeah.
every time maintenance always the same. We have a moving parts, we have a nipple where I need to add the grease.
Yes, lubricant.
Lubricant, yeah, grease.
What about those blades? Do you know how we detach this for sharpening?
For sharpening. So, how I understand, we need to open this cover and you will get access to the blades.
So we have to open this. Do you know how to open?
You need to unscrew, I think.
Yep, it's impossible without some tools.
No. Okay. Maybe here inside.
Maybe here, let's check. Yep, even here the handles.
I think here. There is a. What do you call this one? Maybe you can lift it up.
Here you can choose manually the angle as well. Yes, you need to choose the. I don't think that it's possible now. It's
You
you.
can lift it up like this.
Yep, we can.
But
Not now. For now, it's locked by the pressure.
Oh, yes.
You need to switch off
everything.
and then. But yep,
I think,
again, it screws here. You need to unscrew it here, remove the cover, and you will get access to the everything, include cleaning, spraying, and change the blades.
This is easy, but blade is the better. We'll often, once it's get blunt, we'll often get that out, and then need to go for sharpening service.
Yep.
Because you mentioned about the sharpening for this blade, right?
You can sharpen. So it's not good?
Oh, no, just wondering how to
How to take.
Oh, you need to split, move it.
move it there. Okay.
Here it is.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Do we have to unscrew it or unscrew the top? Because I can see the screws on there.
Yeah. I don't remember how to do it.
Yeah. It's a screws
Yeah.
on the top
Yeah.
and on the bottom. I think as
You
well.
need to screw it full. Just lose it and it will flip.
Ah, okay,
There's a
okay.
slot here on the top. You can
Okay,
see?
okay. Oh, yes. That's it. We don't need to unscrew fully. Just screw a little bit off.
Yep.
It actually needs to be done regularly just for cleaning.
Yeah.
Because a lot of chips sitting inside, you need to blow it up. Maybe every week you need to do it.
Yeah.
If you have load.
That's easy.
Okay. We can go to the next machine. Can you switch off that machine? I will switch on the corner cleaner. Okay, you already choose work, individual, enter. So now you need to weld sash or frame. For now you don't have any support, means you can weld frame. Frame doesn't need
size
support.
was this one.
705. Yep, yeah, looks like. So choose F7 new. No, here.
Okay.
Then the biggest size.
707.
The biggest
The
one.
biggest is 10 to 8.
Enter. Smallest.
705.
Enter. How many units?
This one.
One. Enter.
And then specific.
Choose 999.
This is the program, right?
Yep.
99, then you'll see all
Enter.
of them.
And then the program
Enter.
goes.
Window frame is the first one.
Okay.
Enter.
395.
Green button.
Hold I, hold.
It's ready. Take one part,
Long one first.
the longest one. Yep.
Positioning will be.
The no, you need to put there first, because then you will not get access to. So if you don't have a support
Okay.
and you have a choice how to put, like this or like this,
Yeah.
you have to put always with the widest side on the bottom.
On the top. Oh, the bottom. Okay. The wider.
Okay, good. So just leave. Next two sides. Correct. And the last one. In the beginning, if you put first part here
Oh, yeah, you can
and
go
you
this
have a
way.
big
Yeah.
construction, you are not able to put that one.
Inside. Okay. So
Get it
framing
here.
doesn't need support.
Frame doesn't need. If you don't use the flanges, you don't need support. Green button. That's it.
Oh, that's it.
Just wait. Don't split the safety line.
Okay. First is S7. Then select program.
Yep.
Select
Select size.
Size.
Select quantity. Select program.
F7 first. This.
That's it.
Go ya. Oh, don't know.
No. We are waiting. It's a process. Yeah. It's a process of welding.
Oh, I see. Going all the way.
When it's went, you can start working with the next one.
Okay, starts now.
Again, that machine works by itself.
Ah, okay. Okay. Okay, so let's do for the next one.
Again, F7.
F7.
Now you are gonna weld the sash.
This is the size, right?
Yep.
Size will be the big one first.
Big one first.
964 minus 3.
No,
Ah, no
it's
need.
this size is exact.
Okay. 641.
One.
Done one already.
You are not able to leave it 0. Again 999. If you don't remember the number, choose 999 and choose from the list. If you already remember the number, just put the number.
This
It's
side.
a second one to Windows sash.
Windows side.
Enter. Enter. Stop. Light barrier.
Same size. Light barrier.
So if you can see any error, right one, red one, you need to choose F10. F10. Yeah, and then green button. Now you need to put support.
This support.
Yep.
What's the positioning?
If you took it here,
Oh.
you need to put it here.
And what's the position?
This.
Going standing position. Okay.
Now, click. You need to put it until it click. Yep. It's exactly for frame with a flange. If we're gonna make a frame with flange will put here. Actually, you should have a lot of supports. So you have these supports, just later you will start using. It's not just here. Okay, when it's ready, take the profile, the long one. At this
Same situation.
At this situation, exactly, you have a support and you don't have a choice to put it like this.
All right.
You have a choice only
Upside down.
only
Okay.
like this. If you try to put somewhere else, you are not able to do it.
Okay.
If you have a choice, like that or like that, the widest, widest at the bottom. If you don't have a choice, like this,
We try to put this way.
try.
It's not.
Because there's a support on it.
It is the fit. See. All right. Okay.
That's it. We are welding the last construction, so we can go to the corner cleaner machine, because now it will stop because it's not enough space. Let's go there. Even if you are working there and welding, this machine will stop, just some construction will close the sensor. This machine will stop and will wait until you remove
It's
something.
like when the material is going there.
Yeah, to avoid falling on the floor, the construction, we have a Z sensor.
You have to extend the top and bottom as well. Maybe
It's later. For now, we don't have a top bottom, but then they have to understand. Yep. After cleaning the first angle and sensor is closed, this machine will stop and start waiting. So when you are working there, you need to hear that this machine doesn't do anything. If this machine stays and do nothing, you need to come and check what's the problem.
What's the issue?
Like this.
It's gonna be holding like that.
Yep, it will be holding like this until you will remove.
See, okay. So we have to remove now. Let the machine
Just-
start working.
When you remove,
Okay.
it will continue. Full process.
Clear, right? Everything's clear.
not much, but a little bit now. I got a little bit because some size is gonna be changing. You know, some smaller, some bigger, and
everywhere.
There is an
Yeah.
issue regarding the size after we can get changes of sizes.
So for now, you understand that you could get some small problem with the sizes. Plus, later when you start exactly produce the real construction, when you weld, you have to understand where you should put left or right side.
For the drilling.
Depends on the top and bottom. Because if you change position, you will get different opening or something else, and it will be impossible to assemble.
Because of the drilling, yeah?
Yep.
I see.
But you have some level. The proper welding, you have some level. Top, bottom, side. So
Left, right.
Yeah. So yeah, you can just read it based on the label.
It must be marked by the label or by marker or by something, but when it's cut, especially when somebody makes the holes, that position already must mark who is left, who is right, who is top, who is bottom.
That's right.
Bottom you can recognize by the drainage holes, it's usually the big one, but the top and left and right,
There's no
it
hole.
must be
No
marked.
hole for the top.
It must be ventilation holes, small one. It must be holes for the, it's not must be, but should be holes for the hinges, for example, for the handles. Handles could be on the side, on the left or right, it depends for like a customer will choose. It could be on the bottom, left, right, or even on the top, possible.
Depends on the hinge.
Yeah, if you open, for example, this side,
I see.
and to assemble exactly construction which required, you need to understand how it should be built.
That's it.
That's it. Choose operation mode.
Separation mode.
Choose single machining. This top. Yep. One more. Enter. Choose mode. Single selection. No. Leave it profile recognition. Yeah. Enter. Green button. One more time. Put the construction
It's under that way.
like this. Green button.
Machine recognition, right?
Yep, it's machine recognition, but manual подача. Yeah. Not good, not good. So we have to adjust all programs for all your profiles. This is why you shouldn't use this machine until we will finish adjusting all the programs. Because for now we have correct only for frame, not fully correct, and for sash. For everything else could be the problem because we changed the milling bit, and now it's a different position. So we have to check all the programs and adjust everywhere where it was used.
Maybe only the diameter you need to adjust.
It's problem not diameter, problem is height.
Also the height.
The different bit, previous we used the different bit, it was shorter, and the position was different. For now it's higher, and we need to check all the programs. However, generally it works, it's clean.
Inside.
Here, inside.
Inside is okay. It's just normal, right? It's
Yep.
only can get
So, for example, we have this problem.
Oh,
And we know that it was program 1208.
okay.
We can go here, profile list. We need to find 1208. It's a program for cleaning this profile. We need to choose, I know that 108, it's exactly saw blade. NC, and
The top was okay. Going down.
no. Saw comes from that side to the
okay.
profile, comes here, and here already not enough for, I would say, 2 millimeters at least. So we need to choose 60.
Minus or plus?
It was 75 minus.
Minus 61, 66,
59.
2 mm.
We can see that this line was shifted.
Yeah.
Then move down. We leave it. This one, 3 millimeters. It will be
52.
52. 52. This one 59. This one 52. 59. 52. 59, and it will go further. -3, end of the program. Okay. It saves the program. Single machining.
Nice. Changing now. Yeah, this is it.
It's exactly how to adjust each program.
Okay, at least we have an idea. So this one now, can I do again?
Yep.
Very good. Type 1.
А он угол почему-то не почистил. То ли это профиль какой-то другой, то ли что. Вроде, или это профиль другой? Нет, у нас же только 395, у нас же... нет, 396 был еще. У нас был новый профиль. Да, но он не дочистил. So now like this. Этот зачистился. Вот был оригинальный.
Саша звал. Саша звал.
Okay. You can clean all if you want. Диск снимал. Да нет, не должно быть. Но хрен его знает. Ты тот же диск поставил?